The one on the left. Use your right foot. Right foot, the one on the left.
Okay.
You gotta push it down. All right, now put it in gear. You ain't gotta push it down that far. All right, now ease off the gas and just stop. Oh, shit. Stop. Put that bitch in reverse. Don't give it gas. Just let it roll back.
All right.
All right, now stop. All right, go. Like, don't go, but like get off the brake. Oh God. Oh, we gonna die. Straighten the wheel up. Just. Oh God.
Bro.
Oh fuck. Shit. Just ease off the brake. Don't give it gas. It's not gonna stall, I promise. Barely touch the gas pedal.
All right.
Like, barely touch that bitch. Cause this bitch will go.
Yeah, I know. That bitch touchy, bro.
Yeah, man. When did I meet you, dude?
Just like maybe like
A couple of minutes ago.
Yeah, a couple minutes ago.
We were supposed to go do donuts, dude. Oh fuck. You can speed up a little bit, like touch it a little bit. There you go.
Oh, this shit's easy, bro.
Go left, go left. Oh God, go left. More. Yeah, it's nothing to it, bro. It's just driving, dude.
Yeah.
You just. Have you ever played Forza with a steering wheel?
Shit, like maybe, man, it was a while since I played Forza, bro, if I'm being honest.
Yeah. Right, it's basically the same thing, except you're in a $20,000 car with like $4,000 worth of wheels on it. No big deal. Yeah, man, it's 16 and cruising in the Cadillac, bro. Have you ever driven before?
Hell no, bro.
No? Hey, man, you're
At most I've drove a four-wheeler, that's it.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
It's basically the same thing, dude. You just ease onto the gas pedal. All right, that first stop sign, you're gonna stop, and then we're gonna switch so I can get onto the to the highway. Fuck, man, you're doing pretty decent, dude. Except for, you know, when we had to.
When we had to start, yeah. I gotta ease into things.
Go ahead and stop.
Yeah. Put it in park.
Yeah. Alright, dude. That's fucking funny. Oh man, that's comical.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Here, hold that. Once you get your seatbelt on and shit. You ever do donuts before?
Hell no, bro. I think.
Hold on tight.
Alright.
Gotta make sure that they're not turning this way. Bro, what the fuck is up with all these minivans, dude? I just want to do a donut in this open area.
Man, I think they getting off work and shit, bro.
Yeah.